Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making crispy and delicious air fryer sweet potato fries. These fries are perfectly seasoned, easy to make, and a healthier alternative to traditional fries. Let's get started. Air fryer sweet potato fries recipe. Ingredients: 2 large sweet potatoes, peeled and cut into fries, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish, optional. Directions: toss the sweet potato fries in olive oil, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Arrange the fries in a single layer in the air fryer basket. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through until crispy and golden brown. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve with your favorite dipping sauce. Prep time: 10 minutes. Cook time: 20 minutes. Total time: 30 minutes. Calories: 150 kilocalories per serving. Servings: 4 servings. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.